Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about a topic named gender, religion, and caste. This is the chapter number 4 of democratic politics. And in this module, we'll discuss about the issue regarding gender. One term is used in the chapter name. It is sexual division of labor. Sexual division of labor means a system in which all work inside the home is either done by women of the family or organized बाय देम थ्रू डोमेस्टिक हेल्पर्स, या तो खुद काम करेगी या फिर किसी डोमेस्टिक हेल्प से काम करवाएगी. If you talk about gender role, it is based on biological, but it is not based on biological, but it is based on social expectation and stereotypes. Means male will perform all the outside work, whereas female will perform certain type of task. They perform household chores, cleaning, washing, cooking, nurturing children, taking care of elder ones. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट विलेजेस, अगर हम गांव की बात करें तो गांव में महिलाओं को ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ता है, एक्स्ट्रा वर्क करती है. जैसे पानी को कलेक्ट करके लेके आना, फायरवुड कलेक्ट करना, पानी को हेडपम्प से लेके आना, फायरवुड कलेक्ट करना, एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड में काम करना, एट्सेट्रा. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट पुअर कम्युनिटीज़, वुमेन वर्क इन डोमेस्टिक workers. Women work as domestic workers. They work in factories, shops, also in many places. They are less paid in those places because people thought that they are less educated, so they are often less paid in some of the areas. Since they are less paid, so their work is not often valued or recognized in most of the families. It is said that ये तो तुम्हारा काम है, तुमको तो करना ही है. अगर तुम घर का काम करो उसके बाद तुम बाहर का काम करो तो कोई बात नहीं. Gradually, the gender issues was raised in politics. Women in different parts of the world organized and agitated for equal rights. Feminist movement all around the world improved their conditions. They got opportunities for work in outside and their work is reported. The Times earlier started in European countries, then gradually spread in other parts of the world. Because of their effort, they got voting rights in almost all part of the world. In some of the countries, still women do not have voting right. One term is given there called feminist. Feminist means that man or woman who believes in equal rights and opportunities for men and female. Because of feminist effort, women can be seen in almost all spheres of life. You can easily give some of the examples where women can be seen in almost all branches. From they are flying aeroplanes, running trains, running spacecraft. They also reached up to the space as well. This is the ideal role set by the Indian society. Women used to perform household activities, but she also worked in outside areas as well and earned his recognition. ज़्यादा दूर क्यों जाए, अपने स्कूल की बात करें तो 95% वर्कर्स जो है वो हमारे यहाँ पर फीमेल है. इट मीन्स फीमेल कैन बी सीन इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल स्पेयर्स ऑफ लाइफ. If you talk about our society, from the beginning, our society is called patriarchy or patriarchal society. Patriarchy or patriarchy means that male is the head of the family and woman is subservient to male. As our society is called male dominant society, so women face disadvantage, discrimination and oppression in various ways. Women face disadvantage, discrimination and oppression in various ways. Let's understand through various points. If we talk about literacy rate as compared to 2011, male is 82 whereas female is 65. Although this ratio is improving, but still is far too behind as compared to male education. Another issue is there, that is the dropout girl child in schools. Our country is called the land of villages, so 65% population are still living in villages. So here the schools are facing the problem of dropout girl child. In the absence of high schools and higher secondaries in villages, parents never parents do not send their girl child to attending schools in other villages and other towns. That's why the ratio of dropout girl is increasing. Our society, the ideology is set up by the girls that बेटी तो पराया धन होता है, ज़्यादा पढ़ा के क्या करना है, वो हमारे पास तो रहने वाली नहीं है, ससुराल चली जाएगी. तो ये भी एक आइडियोलॉजी इसके पीछे वर्क करती है. Although government pass equal wage act, still less number of women are seen in highly paid jobs. सबसे बड़ा सेक्टर कौन सा है वुमेन के लिए जहाँ पे वुमेन दिखती है? IT सेक्टर. Apart from this IT sector, banking and school are the another sector where women can be seen in large numbers. But still their percentage is less. Another ratio is the इशू ऑफ सेक्स रेशो. सेक्स रेशो की बात करें तो नेशनल डाटा के हिसाब से 2011 का जो डाटा है वो मेल और फीमेल का बहुत डिफरेंस है. मेल की तुलना में फीमेल सिर्फ 940 है. मीन्स 940 गर्ल्स आर अवेलेबल एज कम्पेयर टू 1000 मेल. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट अदर इश्यूज हरासमेंट, एक्सप्लॉयटेशन and violence both in domestic and outside areas, both workplaces. Urban center is not safe for women nowadays due to the increasing number of violence. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट वुमेन्स पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, अगर वुमेन के पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात करें तो पार्लियामेंट्री बॉडीज़ या लोकसभा में वुमेन का परसेंटेज लेस देन 10% है. लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली से विधानसभा की बात करें तो 5% से कम महिलाएं यहाँ देखी जाती है. थोड़ा सा रेशो डिस्टर्ब है. इसके पीछे रीज़न है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर नॉट विलिंग टू एंटर और अलाउ वुमेन टू इन द पार्लियामेंट और लेजिस्लेटिव बॉडीज़. 1967 में वुमेन रिजर्वेशन बिल पास किया था, लेकिन आज तक ये बिल प्रेजेंट हुआ है 1967 में, लेकिन आज तक इस बिल को पास नहीं किया गया. ये पार्लियामेंट में अभी तक पेंडिंग है. आल्दो देर आर सम गुड एस्पेक्ट्स एज वेल, लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एफर्ट्स 1/3 सीट्स आर रिजर्व इन पंचायती राज सिस्टम, 50% सीट्स इन अर्बन लोकल सेल्फ गवर्निंग बॉडीज़. अगर हम उज्जैन की बात करें तो 50% सीट जो है वो वार्ड काउंसलर की वुमेन के लिए रिजर्व है, और हमारे तो महापौर भी वुमेन है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ जॉब्स 50% सीट्स आर रिजर्व फॉर वुमेन. आज की बात करें जैसे बैंकिंग सेक्टर है, जब भी गवर्नमेंट जॉब निकालती है, वैकेंसी निकालती है, तो 50% सीट उसमें फीमेल के लिए रिजर्व होती है. सो जेंडर डिवीज़न इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सम फॉर्म of social division need to be expressed in politics. Why it is need to be expressed in politics? Because women get more political representation, so they get more facilities for women. If large number of women are selected in bodies, in various political bodies, so women get lot of recognition in societies. Their condition will improve. So that's it for the topic. In this topic we'll discuss about जेंडर इश्यूज और जेंडर रोल इन फ्रॉम द सोसाइटीज़, मेल और फीमेल सोसाइटीज़. मेल क्या काम करती है, फीमेल क्या काम करती है. देन विल सी द कंडीशन ऑफ पुअर फैमिलीज एज वेल एज मिडिल क्लास वुमेन फैमिलीज. देन वुमेन्स एफर्ट टू गेट पॉलिटिकल राइट्स एज वेल एज अदर राइट्स एज वेल. फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट वॉज स्टार्टेड. दिस इम्प्रूव द कंडीशन ऑफ फीमेल इन आवर कंट्री, in the world as well. Then we had a discussion about the society of our country, patriarchal society. Then women face disadvantage, discrimination and oppression in various ways. Then we also discuss about women's political representation, and things began change when some social divisions are expressed in the field of politics, so that this will improve the condition of women. So that's it for the topic. I'll see you in next topic.